So, oh wow, that is a little bit too bright. As you can tell, I have decided to do an impulse buy. Son of a bitch! Long story short, I am going to be purchasing a car and bringing it to the channel. Basically, right now, what I'm doing is I am traveling from Kansas and I'm going to be picking up this vehicle past Denver, Colorado. It's a 10-hour drive. I'll bring you guys for the joy of the ride, so this should be interesting. We're now heading into Topeka. Let's keep putting along. I just hope, man, and I just honestly pray that I do not experience what I experienced driving to Vegas. That gave me anxiety like none other, dude. None other. So this is not good. I got a leak. Man, this sucks. I'm stuck on the side of the road of I-70 in like Waukene, Kansas, about like 250, 300 miles away from Colorado. Didn't even make it halfway, and my transmission, one of my transmission cooler lines is leaking. This sucks.
I don't feel the way I should when I look at me.
Yeah, my truck decided to fail on me.
And it's hard to breathe with all this weight on my lungs, and I can't see how I can do.
So there's literally like nothing exciting from Kansas to Colorado. You're gonna see a lot of windmills, a lot of hay, and a lot of nothingness. Just fair warning, this isn't gonna be such a cinematic video. So a little update, I am probably like 5 hours away. It's a long trip and I'm dying. So I picked up some A-Shock. I've never had this before. I was literally looking everywhere for C4 because that is like my go-to pre-workout fix for the gym, and I know that shit works.
Yeah, buddy! Wait!
There's not really much to see here. I do know that this price over here, as we get closer to Denver, it's only gonna increase. So, R.I.P.
I'm gonna get it cause I can. I'm gonna do it cause I want to. You're gonna pull up in the Benz. I'm gonna live for the fortune. I'm gonna get it cause I can. I'm gonna do it cause I want to. You're gonna pull up in the Benz. You're gonna live for the fortune.
Not even shitting you. The unthinkable happened. My Gen Y hitch, the shank, slipped off, and the U-Haul trailer slammed to the ground, and I immediately pulled over, and now my ball, my 2-inch ball and shank is missing somewhere in I-70. I'm out of breath because I just ran probably 2 miles. I feel like a total of 4 miles. 2 miles there, 2 miles back, couldn't find anything. We were running low on my light. Literally could not make this shit up. Like, for real, dude. Like, this just slammed to the ground and I'm missing my goddamn shank and ball somewhere in the middle of I-70. The worst has happened once again. Well, I made it to like 2 hours away from my destination. I'm kind of by the Denver airport right now. It's too late to get a hotel or motel or whatever, so I'm just gonna crash in the parking lot. I had a tow truck driver hook me up with a new receiver, ball, and pin. There was some things that happened, both my fault and the U-Haul person that hooked up the trailer. I hate doing these trips alone, man. I really do. I need to reach out to people and be with somebody because it's so nerve-wracking doing this alone. I'm gonna wait till it's the morning because I don't want to go close to my destination because I know I'm gonna have to go through the mountains and stuff at night, and I'm not feeling it. The last thing I need to do is have an accident. I'm gonna recharge my batteries and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's been a while, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, good. Yeah, you can do whatever, move through the gears.
This is awesome. Alright. Low on gas.
I know.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I was like, oh
It's not
shit.
gonna happen. What is this?
I know.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, this is good. This
Cool.
is a exact type of project that I'm looking.
Okay, awesome.
I'm not looking, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not looking for something that's fresh off the showroom.
Yeah.
floor, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Good.
this is a project that I am going to enjoy.
I'm glad.
I thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
I mean,
I'm so
you
glad.
really like you just made my day.
I'm so glad.
You're bringing the childhood me
Okay, good.
back again.
This has
like,
been my dream car when I was 11. It was starting
No
to be my
shit.
dream car. Yeah, and I bought it when I was 32.
holy
My
crap.
neighbor had a 300 that was red with T-tops.
No shit.
And I could see it out my window, and I would like just look at her and getting in it, and I would be like, "That I should be in that car." Yeah, it was red.
Just drooling.
I think I had it, yeah. And then when I was 32, I finally got it. Awesome.
Absolutely stunning. So I just picked up the 370Z. My camera is literally about to die. I grabbed 2 other batteries and they're dead too. So I will record whatever I can, but more than likely I will go over everything once I get back to Kansas. I'm gonna capture some more sweet shots of Colorado while I'm here, and see you all back in Kansas. You know we're heading back to Kansas when you see something like this on the side of the road. Good Lord. Was that a propeller? All right, well there you have it. This is my new car, the 370Z. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys will stay in tune on my plans for the 370Z in the future videos. If you enjoy this content, as always, please leave me a like. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios. The hell? Alright, fixed. What do you guys think? Should I put a band-aid over here? Like a band-aid sticker? I think that'll work. I don't think anyone will notice.